Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a critical topic that's shaking up the global economic scene. President Trump's new tariffs on Australian goods and what they mean for both countries. So let's break it down. President Trump has imposed a 10% tariff on nearly all Australian goods imported into the US, sparing only pharmaceuticals and critical minerals. This move comes after previous 25% tariffs on Australian steel and aluminum. The US is ramping up its protectionist policies, raising its average import tax rate by over 18 percentage points. Now, how is Australia responding? Prime Minister Albanese has called these tariffs totally unwarranted and is looking to resolve the issue through existing free trade agreements and dispute mechanisms. Interestingly, Australia isn't planning to hit back with counter tariffs. Instead, they're considering a $1 billion loan program to support affected exporters. But what about the economic impact? It's estimated that these tariffs could cost Australia a whopping $27 billion, which is about 1% of its GDP. The US is a significant market for Australian exports, accounting for roughly 5% of them. And let's not forget the potential ripple effects. A global trade war could slow down the world economy, hitting Australia hard. For consumers, this could mean a 1% increase in inflation. Certain sectors are going to feel the heat more than others. Take Australian beef, for example. The US imports a quarter of its beef from Australia, and with prices already up 16% year on year, these tariffs are going to sting. Still, high demand and limited local supply in the US might cushion the blow somewhat. Looking at the global stage, China has vowed to retaliate against US tariffs, which could escalate into a broader trade conflict. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has warned other nations against retaliatory tariffs, but the risk of a global trade war is very real. On the home front, the Reserve Bank of Australia is catching some flack for not cutting interest rates in response to these tariffs. Some experts argue that aggressive rate cuts might be needed to counteract the negative impacts. The next RBA meeting on May 20th is going to be one to watch. Politically, these tariffs are seen as potentially harmful to the US economy itself. Australia plans to navigate this through diplomacy, even as certain non-negotiable issues like biosecurity laws and subsidized medicines remain sticking points. The National Farmers Federation in Australia has already expressed profound disappointment over the situation. So, there you have it, a complex issue with far-reaching implications. What do you think about these new tariffs and their potential impact? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on global economic news. CMSTV Africa, where every story matters. Thanks for watching and see you next time.